What's up everybody, Natalie here, and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day because a lot of people have been wondering, what do lazy vegans eat? So we're going to be going through the whole day, we're going to do some fun activities, and it's going to be awesome. So I like to start every day with this cold brew protein drink. It's really just cold brew coffee concentrate mixed with protein powder. I absolutely love it. It tastes chocolatey and delicious, and I'm not usually super hungry in the morning, so I find that this is just perfect. I like to drink it while I journal, which helps me prepare for the day. Then I do some work on the computer. I typically get sick of editing after a few hours, and I just hit that point. It's like a nice natural stopping point, and that's when I like to get a good workout in, so I'm going to the gym.
I'm going to the gym.
Since it's summertime in New Orleans, it usually rains super hard for about 30 minutes. Yes, my feet got really wet. Today is leg day, so I'm doing split squats, which are my nemesis, but I'm learning to tolerate them. Next, we're doing leg curls, leg press, and some other stuff, but I felt really awkward filming at the gym, so I stopped. There's a new vegan restaurant across from my gym, and they have baked goods now, which is very exciting. I got this vegan Snickers bar that I can't wait to try. Just got back from the gym, it's 4 p.m. and I still haven't really eaten, so I am super hungry, and I'm gonna make one of my favorite meals, which is a buffalo tempeh salad. A lot of people wonder how you make tempeh taste good, because it's kind of weird and bitter and gross. And the secret is buffalo sauce. This is my favorite brand, Primal. It's really good. Let me show you how to make it. All you have to do is crumble it up, stir in that sauce, and pop it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. You can throw in whatever you want, but these are my favorites. Vegan creamy dill dressing from Trader Joe's, flaxseed meal for those sweet omegas, fermented stuff for your gut, these hot and sweet jalapenos that I'm absolutely obsessed with. Last is the pumpkin seeds, because they've got a bunch of minerals and add a satisfying crunch. Throw it all over some greens and you're ready to go. For someone who loves to bitch when restaurants only have salads as their vegan option, I actually do love salads and eat one almost every day. You can use tempeh, tofu, seitan beans, whatever your heart desires, and if you have the right toppings, it will be delicious. Alright, I just finished that salad. It was so good, and now I'm gonna try this vegan Snickers bar that I got at Highballs. So let's see how it is. That's really good. It almost tastes like fudge. It's like there's chocolate and then some sort of crust type thing and fudge and peanuts. Yeah, it's really good. If you're ever in New Orleans, check out Highballs. A lot of people ask me for easy ways to do activism. One of the easiest thing you can do is to help work on this fur campaign. There are a few targets right now, LVMH, of course, Marc Jacobs, and Max Mara. So today I'm gonna call Max Mara and see how it goes. So here's how to do it. Hey. Howdy, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing excellent. I was just wondering if y'all would consider dropping fur.
We have in our store, we're waiting for corporate to make an announcement so we can hopefully make you guys more comfortable. I'm on the same page as y'all, so we
Amazing.
just don't want to receive phone calls anymore, but hopefully corporate Italy or corporate New York will post soon.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and I hope that hopefully we won't have to talk again. You have a great day.
Yeah,
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I don't know why I did a southern accent, but you know, it's good to mix things up every once in a while. Now it's 6:30, my work is done for the day, and now I like to focus on relaxation. So one of the ways that I like to relax is actually kind of weird. It's by getting into ice baths. Ice baths have tons of benefits. You've probably heard about some of them by now. They reduce stress, inflammation, they help you recover your muscles or whatever. But the main reason I do it is because they increase your dopamine levels for 3 hours after you get out. That is insane. So I'm gonna go get some ice. Luckily, I work at a restaurant that lets me use their ice machine because buying it can get expensive. Since the water is 95 degrees, I need a lot of ice. I managed to get it down to 55 degrees, which is great because you get most of the benefits below 60 degrees. Getting in is terrible, but after a few minutes, you'll start to relax. I like to do some breathing exercises and stay in for 7.5 minutes. It really is amazing just how much better you feel after taking an ice bath. Like, my muscles feel really relaxed and like I just feel really good right now. It's hard to explain. So this is probably my favorite part of the day. I'm just gonna relax, enjoy my yard, drink one of these spin drifts. I'm obsessed with these. They're so good. They're like LaCroix, but like 50 times better than LaCroix because they actually taste like something. So yeah, I guess I'll check back in after dinner. I forgot that I need to make a smoothie. I try to have a smoothie pretty much every day just to get in some fruits and protein powder and creatine, but I'm out of creatine, so not that right now. Smoothies are great for just kind of shoving nutrients in, and they taste really amazing, and I love them, so this is how I do it. Start with some frozen mangoes, add a banana, and soy milk, of course, because it's the best, and if you disagree, you're wrong. Next comes the protein powder. I really like this vanilla bean Orgain. If you don't have a blender, the kinds that blend in the bottle are amazing. I'm too lazy to clean the bigger ones, but these make it easy. For dinner, we're making barbecue soy curl quesadillas. I was vegan for about 2 years before I discovered soy curls, and other than not going vegan sooner, it's my biggest regret in life. They're so tasty, easy to prepare, and probably my favorite food. We all know that sauce is the most important part of a meal, so these are what I'm working with. Chimichurri from Trader Joe's, barbecue sauce, cashew queso that I made yesterday, and my favorite salsa in the world, also from Trader Joe's. Get a pan over medium heat, add the soy curls, cook for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally, throw in the barbecue sauce, and cook for about another minute. Now it's time to assemble the quesadilla. This is just microwaved frozen corn mixed with that chimichurri sauce. Next, add the soy curls and finish with cashew queso. Now it's back to the pan for about a minute per side. Hopefully you're better at flipping quesadillas than I am. For the side, I'm having black beans mixed with those hot and sweet jalapenos, covered in queso, of course. I'm so excited about this quesadilla. It looks so freaking good, and I cannot wait to dig in. Check it out. I mean, that is just beautiful. So good, dude. How the chimichurri and the barbecue sauce and the queso, like, they all just really bring out each other's flavors and balance things out. And yeah, it's so good. Like I said, I love soy curls. I could literally eat them every day. So that's pretty much it for the day. I don't think I'm going to eat anything else. I may go to a bar for a birthday party, but I might not because I kind of don't feel like going anywhere. So we'll see, but I am definitely going to eat this and enjoy it and finish up watching The Good Place for the 3rd or 4th time. So let me know what you thought. If there are any recipes that you want to try if you're not vegan yet, definitely do it. I promise you, it's so easy. There's no reason not to go vegan. And thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Special thanks to my morally superior patrons. Peace.